in a lot of movies, and like you shared, certain themes can present. Slow mo is a style that you do, um, but you're yet to really maybe define yung style mo completely. No? Meron bang mga artista na medyo just get your style better than others?
Hmm, meron ba? I'm not sure. Well, um, I think it depends on the theme too.
Okay.
Basta ang important naman sa akin with my cast or at least with my actors is that kasi even with a director and an actor there is chemistry. So
Okay.
important din yung chemistry na yon.
How does that work? I
So
mean, very clear for me yung, let's say, leading man sa leading lady, di ba? Kailangan
yeah.
mukhang sila talaga.
Oo.
Kailangan nasasabayan nila yung emosyon ng bawat isa.
Mhm.
Kailangan kinikilig yung audience, di ba? Believable and may spark.
Mhm.
Paano naman yung chemistry ng director and actor or
Well,
actress?
like chemistry sa actors, natatrabaho yon. Merong iba na parang gets niya kaagad.
Okay.
Magtinginan lang kami, gets na nila. Or like when I give instructions, minimal, they get it right away. And then parang eksakto parang we're on the same wavelength and they
Gets,
know
gets.
maybe shared experiences, paring parehong background and all, or in terms of, baka iba-ibang reasons.
Okay.
So, I would say yon may chemistry kami kasi gets niya right away. Gets niya when I say something. Gets niya when
Gets.
even minimal supervision or guidance. Merong iba tinatrabaho mo.
Gets.
And that's like in romance, minsan merong chemistry na walang attraction yung isa sa isa't
Mm,
isa eh.
mm,
But then, natatrabaho yon.
gets.
So, with that, kapag yung artista, wala kaming chemistry or at least merong, may disconnect, we, like with my staff, you try to find out what makes them work. Ano ang nagdo-drive sa kanila. And siguro yung sa quadrants
Yeah,
nga,
yeah.
'di ba parang low skill pero
Gets.
so or
Titimplahin mo.
or sometimes it's sometimes it's just immaturity in terms of experiences in life.
Got it.
Because
Got it.
sometimes parang they don't know that kind of pain because they haven't experienced it.
Meron bang
Maybe.
mga method actors tayo sa Philippines
Oo
na
naman.
talagang
Oo naman.
yun talaga yung style?
Oo, meron namang ganun.
So paano yun? Kung itong scene na to mabigat. Diba? Tapos hindi malabas nung artista yung emosyon na gusto mo.
Oo.
Paano mo siya kino-coach para mailabas yung
It depends eh. It depends on the person. May mga tao kasi na, ito yung mahirap. May mga tao na may blocks. Like,
what do you mean?
meaning, ayaw nila mag-take na instructions. Like for example, kahit na ano mo, hindi nag-work direct, hindi nag-work, ayaw nila patulong. Pag ganun, wala akong magagawa. Because no matter what I do, parang, it's not like I give up right away. Pero you can tell if there's a block, you're not getting through. So, iiba-ibahin mo yung way. Parang, okay, is it like, do you talk about the character more? Kasi sometimes yung personal doesn't
Yeah.
work for them eh.
Yeah.
Maybe they're evading. Maybe they don't want to face their realities or their past or whatever. Sometimes naman, gusto nila yung pinag-uusapan yung past. Sometimes they prefer character. They can relate to the character. Or sometimes it's the emotion right now.
Okay.
So it really varies. And then,
Yeah.
like, one actor, alam ko hindi na nag-work sa kanya yung past niya. So, I didn't even touch on that.
Gusto mo ba sabihin ko sino? O blind, secret ba?
Hindi
Blind
naman. Ay,
item?
si Joshua. Kasi hindi na ilang taon na siya eh.
Okay.
So whatever his past is or ano yung backstory niya in life, hindi na mag-work yon. Mas nag-work sa kanya yung character. So
Okay.
parang, okay, and there's something about that character na he can relate to. Maybe the emotion at that moment.